your picture there.
Oh no, you're fine. Gotta show who's running it eventually. If you don't mind being on YouTube.
Don't matter to me. Let me.
What do we got? Started filling. We got T-Trak. In-scale modular railroaded. Ah, you're a T-Trak fan. I'm NCE. Do we clash? You're T-Trak and I'm NCE.
Oh, I thought you said MTV.
Oh, well, yeah.
I don't want to be on that.
Well, no, YouTube.
Yeah. I'm thinking about getting one of the NCE Pro Cab.
Power cab. And well, there's a power cab and a pro cab.
Yeah, just the entry level.
Which is, I think, oh, that's a power cab. The pro cab, I think, is also a little miniature one, but you have to have the power pack for, and the interface, or the hookups, which aren't much. You can actually buy them more, but I think it's a power cab. I haven't gotten mine out, and can't remember exactly. Oh, you know this guy? I know him.
I'm sorry.
I'm Container Man 68 on YouTube.
Yeah.
If you watch.
I'm David Ezekiel. I don't do YouTube. I mean, I'm not on there.
Well, you do Facebook, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm on Facebook too. Not a lot, but I've been getting on more.
Yeah, the Troubles, man. That's my favorite.
Yeah.
Looks like somebody read it.
Oh, here we go. Yeah, MOW. Oh, there we go. That's cool. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's see. Can you read that? Sorry, Dennis. Moving around too much for you, Dennis? Castillo Miller Road. I'd like to do something like this on my end scale. Home layout. Oh, there you go, Dennis. How about that? That's what Dennis needs to build for his HON 30.
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
I know a fella's got a module like that, but one of those expressions to the Z-scale.
Oh man. See, that needs to be a lot bigger. That's okay. A lot of people don't like intermodals.
Oh, that's
Oh wow. How'd we get out of scale?
it's like a barbie ball place.
Oh, and that's the model layout. That's the model layout. That's the model railroad going through the, it'd be like garden layout. That makes it, that's pretty neat. Never thought of that. Ooh, I can do that with my wonder what scale that would be to 50th scale. That's what, probably, what is Dollhouse? I don't even know what Dollhouse is.
I've seen that right there in like old scale and stuff, but I've never seen that scale stuff here. I've never seen those models before.
They probably make the stuff, but it's probably not motorized. They probably motorized it themselves.
Well, some of them I recognize as kits, but
Right.
I've never seen them actually doing anything.
You know, that voice you hear in the background is Rusty again. We got back together. We were split up earlier. I'm doing more talking than watching, going around layouts. Feedlot. I'm assuming that's probably the slaughterhouse, or is that the powerhouse? Or that's just a freight house, maybe. Oop. Oh, he's got, okay. Little transition piece between the two, so you can do a loop. And then, yeah, everyone's got a UFO scene on their layouts. Got a house fire. Like the farm scene. Oh, another high-rise fire.
Take the helicopter out.
Yeah. We're actually going to start
Cool. And it speeds up too. Like the signs.
I was really moving in the Army for a long time. You know, I just got really into it then. And I built my own Army plane. And then the plane started going with that. It was so much easier to do. I just bought him a little set. And we're from Virginia. I'm from Martinsville, so we're on it. So we're big north and west.
You see?
War of the Worlds.
Oh, War of the Worlds. I was. Wow.
And the standard is track spacing, track height, size of the box, the wiring. Other than that,
Sawmill over here.